Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here and you're into photography, video making, tech gear, reviews and drones, start now by subscribing and hitting the bell so you won't miss anything. So I open this drawer and I find my old and first iPhone 3G, and I noticed that it was expanding, and I read on the internet that battery expanding could harm the phone or could even explode. So I decided to open it, and yeah, the battery was expanded. I opened it, removed it and threw it away immediately, disposed it the way it should be. But I didn't know what to do with the rest of the iPhone. Now it was all open and it was all in pieces, so what to do with it? And I decided to turn it out in a artwork, or at least I like to call it that way, so that I will never forget my iPhone and I would never throw it away, and I would just keep it on the wall. But let's see what I did. That doesn't look bad, doesn't it? I like it. I'm gonna put it here on the wall. That was all for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video and it was useful for you to have an idea on how to recover your old iPhone. Smash the like button if you did, subscribe if it's something you're into, and I'll see you guys on the next video.